a quick intro to myself. My name's Jamie Eastwood. I'm a local direct man from Western Sydney. I'm an artist, public artist, visual artist, and I'm excited to be part of this project. Now, I'm just going to talk directly to you. I know I'm not going to get no feedback because I can't hear, but I'm going to work along the concepts of medicinal plants of the Parramatta area in Western Sydney, and particularly with our gum leaves. They're one of our main healing plants, and their antiseptic properties. And that the reason I've chosen the gum leaf, it comes in many different colours. If you had a look at a gum leaf, it has over 1,000 different hues of colours, from pinks to oranges to greys to all different colours. I'm going to try to incorporate that with the patients and whoever wants to participate, the staff, in collaborating in designs based on the gum leaves and the meanings of the gum leaves to Aboriginal people of the area, the patterns that they make, and using the subtle hues from blues to greys to pinks. If you get a chance to have a look at a gum leaf and all its different varieties of shapes and patterns that it makes, that's going to be the main inspiration for the artworks. Okay.
Artist who's going to paint hopefully some nice watercolours for the walls of the CF units.
Excellent.
And, I'm keen to get images from people. I have one lovely one from Lauren so far, that's all. There are a few things just to try and give you the idea of how we get from the initial photograph or a little sketch or an idea up to the finished work. So that was a little thumbnail sketch, and there was a smaller painting and a bigger one, yeah. And so that on the right is the bigger finished painting. And it's, you know, about 70 by 50 centimetres roughly. Yeah. So the works I'll be doing will end up about that size. This is another small sketch. And these are only like postcard size, and then this is the painting from it. Yeah, that's pretty much a finished painting version of it. I did a few, but it gives you the idea how you can start from a simple kind of quick sketch done in 5 minutes to end up with a larger painting. So some of them, as we go along, will have the photographs that they started from.
Yeah.
This one is part of the commission for the birthing units at Nepean Hospital, which I did. So I did 3 rooms, 3 paintings, and this was the view from one of the lookouts, which turned into this concept sketch for the one of them. So that's only, you know, like less than A4, but this is the finished painting, which is 1 metre long. So I think that helps you see how you get from photographic images to a finished artwork.
That's fabulous, fabulous.
And this is another one. This is the first initial idea kind of sketch for the next birthing unit. This was the concept sketch, which I presented, and they okayed that. And so I then did the painting, and this is the painting. Again, it's about 1 metre by 40 centimetres, something like that. Yeah, so obviously you go away and research. I haven't got the photographs I used of Waratahs and so on, but you can imagine that. So yes, the next one. These are photographs of the river. That was part of the theme for the Nepean River, the sort of river of life, if you like. So if you go to the next. Yeah, another photo.
This idea of the composite, when you look more than one view, and then you...
Yeah, and so this was the concept sketch for it, which this is the concept sketch for the chapel commission at Nepean Hospital. I think above was a pencil sketch up as the glass panels in the chapel. So altogether, I think it's 1.5 metres high by 5.5 metres long.
Yeah,
so that was reasonably large. And they were done digitally into glass.
Digiglass it's called,
Yeah, they sort of sandwiched a film in between safety glass. And so what we're doing in this commission will be similar, except it will be enlarged into vinyl and attached to the wall. And they will be even larger than those individual images. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, forward.
Cool. Now I don't know if I have
one
more.
that shows the works on there.
Yeah, that's yeah. I love this one.
Can we
that
go
one?
back?
Yeah.
These are the actual works that were framed and put outside the chapel in the corridor where you go into the chapel. So they